Plastic lenses can become foggy and yellow over time. This is caused by the UV light from the sun that affects the outer layer of the plastic. Polishing them will clear the haze and restore your headlights. I saw a lot of DIY videos on YouTube where you are advised to use different grit sandpaper before polishing your headlights. This is a good method to get great results, but also a long and messy process that is not necessary in most cases. Before you go ahead and start sanding your headlights, try this method first, and if you are not satisfied with the results, then you can try the sanding method. I'm Max, and I want to share with you a secret ingredient that will help you polish your car's headlights fast and easy. The first thing you have to do is wash your headlights from grease and dust. It is important to know that the process will only work if your car's headlights are made out of plastic and have only gone opaque or yellowish over time. If you have scratches on them, you will need to take the long road of sanding before polishing the plastic. The polishing process takes about 10 minutes for each headlight, and you will need a towel or a piece of textile material and polishing paste, the secret ingredient. I have been using acrylic glass polymer and repair paste for more than 10 years on plexiglass, with awesome results every time, and it did a fantastic job on my headlights as well. You can find it on Amazon for about 10 euros. I will add a link in the description. With the headlights clean, apply some paste on the towel and start rubbing the plastic surface using firm pressure in a circular or linear pattern. Keep rubbing the surface for a few minutes until it becomes smooth and clear. Afterwards, you can wash the excess paste with a bit of window cleaner or soap and water. And your headlights should look perfectly clear now. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can try polishing your headlights for a second time. Or, if there are only small areas on the lens that still look foggy, you can try repolishing only those spots. You can clearly see a big difference between before and after using the polishing paste. I'm Max, and this was my tip on easy headlights polishing. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful for you and if you have any other advice on the subject. And if it was helpful, hit that like button and I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching.